Hey Rod, my wife and I are considering buying a new home. What's the difference between a conventional and an FHA loan?
Hey Mark, that is a great question. And to answer that, let's break down the 7 key differences between an FHA loan and a conventional loan. The second key difference between an FHA loan and a conventional loan is the credit score that is allowed for an underwriting approval. To use an FHA loan, your minimum credit score will need to be a 580 for a manual underwritten loan. But to make things a little easier, a 620 FICO credit score is required for most lenders on an FHA loan. Now, on a conventional loan, you can possibly get approved at a 620, but to take advantage of the lowest rates and reduced mortgage insurance, you will need a credit score of a 720 or greater. If you have found this information helpful, do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel, as well as click that bell to get notified when I post more helpful content. If you or someone you know is looking to purchase a home, have them contact me at rodfarrier.com.